The report that we've created in conjunction with the IMechE is Industry in Motion.
A manufacturing and engineering report. We went out to the UK and Ireland markets and almost 700 people responded.
And got their feedback on what was important, aspects such as issues around downtime, effectiveness of the maintenance programs, all that great insight.
It's a very interesting report. There's lots of insight there that suggests that there are skills challenges.
It asks questions about where people and customers of RS felt they were in terms of the maturity of their maintenance operations, the KPIs, the challenges they had in terms of maintaining uptime on equipment, finding good suppliers, recruiting good people.
There are some challenges around sustainability that companies are starting to think about, and that everybody's realising that technology needs to be embraced if we're to stay competitive in the UK and Ireland.
All the way down to diversity of workforce, skills gaps, all the sort of stuff that we're here to actually talk about today. Please download the Industry in Motion report, and some great insight and information in there from real world engineers. So this isn't finger in the air stuff, this is real live information from the engineers today, giving a bit of an idea of the current engineering landscape and what the engineers of today and tomorrow have to put up with.